I suppose in answer to that question, I'll have to depend upon my own career. I've been a teacher since 1952, and I have found that first, by having respect for all of my students, it enables them to do their best. Second, I get to know my students. My wife and I invite my class home to dinner every school year that I teach because I want to honor them. Third, I insist that my students come by the office and have a private discussion with me every year so I can find out what their special needs are that I may not be able to discover from talking with them in lectures in the whole class. I also believe that an educator is not for the purpose of punishing an individual, it's for helping an individual. At midterm, when my students prepare papers for me dealing with case studies on how one population group overcame, if the student does not write a good paper, I write a paper almost as long as the student's paper saying what's wrong. But then I give my students the opportunity to rewrite that paper because my job is not to punish them, but to educate them. And this has been one of the most successful techniques that I've used over the years with my students, of letting them redo what was a bad paper and letting them, therefore, have the benefit of growing as a result of the critique that I made of the earlier paper that they wrote.